Hello, ebusuafo. Wasom for Kwame Chimisini. Me somehow akwaba eba fufu TV. And then you be discussing about what CBM is. Aya yenya a lot of requests from people omo peso omo hu said ye omo calculate CBM. Enti ene no na me de ebremo. You can say CBM normally no is in regard to say all shipping yema afa so. And normally no say all shipping yema afa sea ayomu yusu bibi a friend either 20-foot container and a 40-foot container. And all shipping yema afa sea no normally no aya weight of the yema no and sheda in hiamo the hiamo no a volume. And the be a friend of CBM which stands for cubic meter. 20-foot container wo no say all calculate as per CBM efa 33 CBM. 40-foot container wo no all calculate as to CBM efa 66 CBM. And you will be a friend FCL full container load and a LCL less container load. You can say full container load normally no more big businesses no omo na so mo fa nyema every China and Turkey and Dubai o mefa container ni nyina no na ye mini importations no normally no ye fa ye use LCL say ye do nyema efra akofro nyema na ya ship every China na ya ship every another country about so country. And then me ba be mo how to calculate your CBM. And to box a why no me ba be use box way as a demonstration. Now me dey actually how to calculate your CBM. Okay, and to normally the fan say oh shape onyema no e will contain e will box way mu na. To calculate your CBM no from her to her any a friend length. I say so from aha to aha any a friend of height. And from aha to aha no any a friend of width. Ghana school near kind of length times breadth times height. And to know calculation near baby no. And to me tape measure and to normally no supply no. What you share unyame gume no. I feel no baby measure. Kenneth, I'm coming okay. I feel no baby measure your package. The high team. Young chum said your measure. And to normally no yashi show nyama na we no measure length no. Into weight some the meters more. 0.62 so the muhu aha no. Aha na fe ya back width no. Into weight some the meters more. 0.48 so the muhu aha no. Na fe see your two box the more. Ya back height. Into weight so some the measurement more 0.32. And to many measurements in the no, after me ba how to calculate your CBM. Enya den kra.
Enti ebusuafo o calculate your CBM no really easy. Enti scenario yemfa ne say yema fufu imports for ship yema from China to Ghana amayem. Fufu imports for to see on current charges no 1 CBM equals $230 dollars. Okay, and yemfa ne say box here na me crave. It depends what tape measure ya we use no. Some tape measures no ebe measure in centimeters. And tape measure no we use no. Say measure in centimeters just divide the figure no into hundreds so you can get your meters. But me tape measure na me so now it was already in meters. Into length no minya 0.62 meters, height no minya 0.32 meters, and width no minya 0.48 meters. Into your top on our own so much say 1 CBM equals $230. Length na macho no, width na macho, height na macho no. Afe young core formula ne so. Formula no is really easy, okay? Really easy. Into again basic maths. Into to find the CBM of the box nana micrano. Okay, is basically the length times width times height. Okay, after you yourself finding how much it's going to cost. It's going to cost you to ship box way to Ghana. And after would the CBM normal charge no, and the price no account. But we'll multiply this near the CBM no account later. And basically to find the cost to ship this box from China to Ghana. No, this is an example. It's going to be the length times the width times the height times how much the company is charging per 1 CBM. In Tiabahana, length no 0.62 meters, width no 0.48 meters, and height no 0.32 meters. afei na mede times $230 in account into see about third one now, and the length times the width times the height, so you could see 0.095232 meter cube. Into any friend cubic meter and so on meter cube, and I'm actually half a fair phenomenon. Now for what times it by 230, and the CBM for this box one is going to be $21.90. Inti ne krakra said to ship box na mikrano. Say be out do nyamegum na o ship it from China to Ghana, no, and I'll ship it from your destination country to Ghana. It's only going to cost you $21.90. And basically, this is the calculation of the CBM. As easy as that. TBBRC, I just comment below, and I'll be there to help you out.
And so, Yanum, Musha Wayna, we empty box or small. And so, I'm say, oh, ship. Ma full importer na omo calculate CBM na ma na aya we na ya me catch on one person almost starting importation business when fresh no aya share the size of the item whatever into em fan say box we ya empty na ho no into makoto product we na me ba beton they share the size of this box now which means say we no extra into a lot of this product no e be to me akọ the box we mo easily and now say me favorite wipes here who say wipes we no that's the same product we kakra into again you know we box we be product we do draw as in we again say me to be which say baby diapers we now box we no be product we no and should have we need to draw no as compared to these two. And now say me koto airports ababeto box we no bit for airports we no do no more as compared to say me fact you say be to say diapers and now wipes you know and this microphone. And so we a beginner now all starting importation these are really important. Normally you know because for product is say they will supply and bit to me actually product no more a good your friend is saying package them because at the end of the day, you know, CBM now utiano and found the number of products are auto. Your money here say or more calculate the CBM of your product. And if you import or more charge you can say 230 per CBM now and found how many products are auto. So nyamano a 1 2 na do that CBM now. So you better charge you 230 no. But nyamani susu per CBM no product no bet to me add also the when you infrastructure be brave. We did say in any comments in regards to this, comment below in I'll be in the comment section to answer all your questions. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.